Have a wingspan of 8 to 9 feet. Watering holes like these where a lot of the animals come and drink their water. Sometimes we get lucky, get a glimpse of a rare species over here. So everybody get your cameras ready.
You got the rear end of that guy.
Oh, he's going on up the hill. We better stop here then.
How about that? How cool.
That's the girls. These are the girls.
Look at that bird just landed on.
Crocodiles. No, crocs are a lot more aggressive than the American alligator. They get about 18. This one here. Right here. By the truck. They get about 18 to 20 feet long. They have about 1,200. Now this is a baby here with 3 of them. And this is called a sable antelope. Get your cameras ready. Now sable meaning black. Males are usually the starting color. Females are the reddish brown. They are the emblem here in the Robbie Village. The horns get about 42 to 46 inches long. Really beautiful. They use them for sparring. Can you give us a picture here? Yeah, thank you. That was nice. There's no 2 patterns on any giraffe that are the same. We actually have our own fingerprints. They have their net prints. This is one that her mouth kind of pooches at you. She has a cute little pooch. She looks straight at you. We'll stop here. And the little Tommies there, they're so cute. They can run about 55 miles an hour and turn on a dime at that, doing that. One of the second fastest land mammals. There's a baby back there in the back. It's kind of hard to see back there. Let's see if we can find. There we go. One of the mamas Randy's. Now they fan them ears. Thank you. That's a pretty picture doing that. The bridge. This don't look very good though. Let's turn this off. I need to concentrate. Cross some fingers. Old bridge is wired together with rope and it's the only way out. We'll go slowly. That means slowly, okay? Don't breathe too hard. Almost there. Oh no! Oh no! Lean to the right. Everybody to the right. Your other right. Go for it. There you go. Whoa! We did it. Great job. Woo! That was a lot of work. Y'all did an excellent job. Past these trees. Matriarch. Matriarch is usually the biggest one out of the bunch. I think this one is the matriarch. I'm hoping we see the little one come around. Wait a minute, there's some birds. There he is. He don't like the blackbirds. He's so adorable. He is so cute. He hates them. He chases them all day. That is so funny. There he goes. Mango family. They get their color from their diet when they eat shrimp. I want you to get a picture of the tree in the truck. That's a good postcard.
That's beautiful.
He's so cute. He's still chasing them.
That's adorable.
Was that adorable?
I got it on the video.
Oh, did you? That's good. He don't like them. They steal his food, so he chases them off. 2 miles an hour for a good distance. They're the largest cat that hunts during the day, and they hunt by sight, not by smell. Really beautiful. I love you. I actually read an article about, maybe 2 months ago, I can't even remember what article. Book it with them. see if anybody else read it. That they said that the cheetah was actually closer to a dog than a cat. Had anybody else read that? Well, the reason is their claws don't retract, and they have a lot of speed like a greyhound does, so they're considered, they think it's closer to a dog than a cat. He's not normally up, guys. You're lucky. Isn't he gorgeous? Buddy.
You know what? I've been on this safari a few times. I've never seen him.
Isn't he gorgeous? Thank you. White rhinos, all right. Y'all getting a good safari. White rhinos are one of the greater success stories, like I said. There's some. Oryx was hunted for their horns, and Montemonk was actually hunted for their bushmeat fur.
Yeah, oh, look at all the llamas over there.
We'll get a picture of them when we get on. Let's see if I can find her. Pumbaa. Everybody knows Pumbaa was a warthog. They burrow those burrows with their snout, and they can run 30 miles an hour with them little bitty legs. Ooh, we get some 2 to 3 pounds. Takes about 200 pounds to crush one. And this is a baby right here, you guys. She's a baby. She's about 5 years old. She don't look like a baby anymore. That's Mama there with her. Now sit down for me, please. Let's go. Uh-oh, it says unsafe area. What do you think? Go for it?
Go for it.
All right, hold on. Wilson, this is symbol 1. Poachers is smash the gates. We're coming in. We really need your help. Can you give us any kind of direction? Copy. Here we go.
The poachers are heading east. Keep going. Can you drive them to my patrol? Over.
We copied that. We're on our way. He said east, didn't he? Oh, no. Looks like geysers, everybody. Hang on. It's going to be really close. It's going to be which way the wind blows. Woo! That was close. See him anywhere? I don't see him. Do you? Oh, no. You on the left? Watch out. Whoa, there's another one on the right. Look out on the left. Woo! Wilson. We got through the geysers and we spotted a camp. There's a fire still going, but it looks like poachers and ran.
Oh, not to worry. You dropped them right into my patrol.
Woo! We did it, folks. Great job back there.
Good job of driving.
Wilson, what about the mama?
The poachers ran, but they won't get far. We located the mother ahead of us. Thanks to you, they are now both safe. Asante sana, everyone.
I'm glad we could help him. Mom and baby's okay. Yeah? 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
One will let out a yelp, and the rest will all jump in those holes down there. All of those holes in that gray soil were dug by the meerkat, and they go down about 6-8 feet.
He's looking for the eagles and stuff to warn his buddies.
The animal in the middle, of course, is the African Gerenuk, a member of the antelope family. Actually, they're a very shy animal, 2 or 3 families in a group, and generally found very deep in the woods. Their diet is really the leaves that are on the trees. Those are young females out there. The adults weigh 130 to 140 pounds. They're identical in color.
This one's actually our oldest gorilla.
This one. I'm taking a nap.
What are you doing, Brenda? The bed.